welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick style video for you from Dsoar Hair. So this wig that I'm wearing, like I just said, is from Dsoar Hair. I am wearing a wig that I made myself. I have it in two bundles of 24-inch in the Peruvian deep wave with a 20-inch frontal. And I'm just going to show you just how I change this style up very quickly. So if you have an old wig laying around, or if you just want something totally different instead of having long hair, you can always go for a short curly blunt cut, which is something I love. I think it's super sophisticated and really cute. So just a few quick tips that you want to keep in mind is just to make sure you detangle this hair all the way through, like I'm doing here in the clip. Make sure you do not saturate the hair completely with water. Your hair should not be dripping wet. Don't forget, it is curly hair, so as the curls dry, it will shrink. So yeah, you guys, not too much to say about this video. It is pretty self-explanatory. The curls are absolutely beautiful. The hair is really soft, really pretty hair. Dsoar always comes through with really nice quality hair. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and of course I will answer them right away. And also check the description box for any codes, coupon codes, and just the details on this hair that I'm wearing as well. And that's really it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at jmarie, and don't forget to hit that subscribe. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. I wish that